What's up guys, welcome to my channel, man. Offset Trucking. In this video we're going to talk about something that's really important, and I think a lot of you truck drivers should listen to this one, because like I said, I'm trying to talk to you guys. I'm trying to bring some senses to a lot of you truck drivers. A lot of things that you don't think about, I want to be able to be the one that talks about it, that make you see, oh my God, he's right. Yeah, I want to be that one YouTuber trucker that's bringing you the real. Okay, so now let's talk about it. Make sure you guys check my other videos if it's your first time, and if it's your first time, man, please just, why do I have to say please for? Fuck it. If it's your first time, if you feel like it, subscribe. How about that? Anyway, let's go straight to it, man. Now this one might not be for every truck drivers, okay, but let's say if you're a truck driver that's not working a W2, that's not working for a big company or a company with that pay you W2, right? Or maybe some of them pay you W2, but they still not offer what I'm gonna say. So let's say you work as a 1099 truck driver, right? Every week you driving, getting a lot of miles, like doing like driving over your 11 hours just to make some miles, make the trucking company that you with richer, right? So that you can make that little penny that they're gonna give you every week. I say you're making like 2,000 every week, 25,000 every week. Shoot, I know people that are making more than 25,000 every week. I know truck drivers that are making that, but you guessed it, they run. They really run, and you can't make that with a company that's gonna respect all the rules. Trust me, you can't. But anyway, they run. So let's say you're making like 3,000 like a week or stuff like that. Yes, you're making money, a lot of money, right? But my question to you, especially as a 1099, do you have benefits? Do you? Do you have insurance? Do you have insurance? Like if you're sick right now, do you have insurance to take care of you? Or you just gonna go, if you save, because most of y'all boarding, y'all don't save, but if you save money, you're just gonna go to your saving and you know what? Go pay them hospital bills. If you get sick, like really sick, you got dental. If you care about your teeth, because most people don't care about their teeth, but if you care about your teeth, do you have dental? Working at a 1099 as a 1099 contractor. Oh, they got a big one. Do you have life insurance? Do you? Like if you die right now, do you have that? Cause don't get it twisted. You're doing the most dangerous job. Driving a truck is one of the most, if it's not the top one, it's one of the most dangerous job. Let's say you go boom today and then you don't come back. Something happened and then you DIED. Now, do you have life insurance to take care of your, of you when you die? Or you just, even if they're gonna burn you, it's gonna cost money. Or do you have a will? If you got kids, do you have a will that you set up? If I die today, my kid's gonna have that. I left certain amount of money for my kids. Do you have that? Ask yourself that question. I don't know if you have it or not. I'm just asking. Do you have that? And some of y'all got nobody. You see there go the crazy question. Some of your bank account, y'all don't even have somebody to beneficiary. Like if you die right now, that can go to your bank account. Let's say you got money in your bank, right? Saving in your bank, you got money, and boom, something happened, and there's nobody that you put as a beneficiary. Especially if you're not married. Even if you're married, this might be a lot of process for your wife to get to that money. And most of y'all, your wife don't know your bank account, okay? Your girlfriend don't know, your family don't know your bank account. It's just you, only you. It's bank account, get your money. People don't even know how much money you get. And then boom, something happened to you. Now here come your family struggling, trying to find out how to take care of your ass. While you die, you're not here. And then when you got money sitting in the bank not gonna call you, say, hey, not gonna call your family and say, hey, such and such have like, I don't know, $100,000 in the bank. You wanna come get it? Just come with proof showing that it's your son. Come with proof showing that it's your husband, or come with proof showing that it's your dad if you got big kids. I don't know, man. You guys should think about that part. Yes, the job that you with is 1099. They don't offer you nothing. They don't even want to pay taxes for it, because you're working on 1099. So you take care of your own taxes. So think about it, man. If something happened right now, are you good? Is your family good? Is your family good if something happened right now? Something happened to you right now. Is your family good financially? Do you leave something behind for your kids? Are you good with your family? It's a good question, man. You should, like I said, you might not take it as you want, man, but I think those kind of things, you guys have to, think about them. Think about it, man. Because like I say, you see the day that you leave, you see the day, but you know what tomorrow hold, man. Like, you don't know what's might happen tomorrow. I don't think you want to be in that situation. Like, if something happened to you, your family have to struggle to even do your funeral, or because guess what, the trucking company that you're with not gonna do it for you. Unless you with a big company that's offer like health benefits, life insurance, those stuff. And guess what? Those companies, they're not paying good enough for truckers like you that want the money to even go to them. And the one that you think paying you money, not gonna give you them benefits. They just pay you for the miles, and not for every miles, for just the miles that you pick up a load for them and drop the load for them. That's it. That's all you get paid for. And the name of the game is make them more money by running more miles. And by running more miles, you get a little bit more chunk. A little bit more money. A little bit money, because whatever you're making, whatever you getting paid, it's like, I don't know, 50 times bigger than what you make 50 times less than what you making for the company, So yes, guys, like these are the questions, man. Like, I feel like a lot of you truck drivers should ask yourself, man. Think about it. And if you ask yourself the question, you can't find the answer, hopefully you can fix it. Hopefully you can fix it, man. I don't know, man. I just wanted to make that video, and because I know probably a lot of you guys in that situation, man. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, man. Peace. I'm out.